Ka Sorkar jelah ka sengi palai kelabu kandon batang kibala kanjok kat Snem Shaneng on Shah bakin Leit Īingmane bat ki jaka mane belai. Kane karai jong ka Sorkar jelah kelami naga jingalang hapeding Kynhun Niam ka jelah baru Chief Secretary ka jelah UMS Rau balalong hene ka sengi palai hayo jana bahawan main sekretariat. Nalor kata kelami ru ka jing ai jengmut bari tang kibala dep ITK kila bandrung hakite ki ying katang kaban pli biang nadu ka khat ndu tarik mta ubenai.
This meeting was to discuss and finalize the SOP for opening religious places, SOP for weddings, and also to seek the support of all faith-based institutions in the vaccination efforts of the government. So broadly, these were the three things discussed. No, I mean, it will be an advisory, but it will not be mandatory. But yes, it will be an advisory that it is better that only vaccinated people attend. But one of the inputs we got is that to have a better reach in our publicity efforts also, it is better to open places of religious worship in a limited way, because that will enable, see, our input is most of them, and I would say 90% plus, they are all in favor of vaccination. So it'll also help the government in the sense that they can reach out to their respective congregations. See, today because the places are closed, they are also finding it difficult because online medium has its limitations. So we expect that with this opening it will also help the vaccination effort of the government.
Upastor MJ Nyota, upastor ka KJP Assembly, ula pentip babun na kikandon jong ka SOP, kini ki Snem Snem, bar kidon kato ka ki barang thamai, kentup ika jingsha wan jingseng nilek niam, tangi ki bakat Snem Syajerong.
Kalau ba Sorkar kalau bantli ki mani tu kendai, kami kerja kerana dengan ini ban maintain ke SOP. Kita juga SOP ke Kambun balap premium Snem ni habut itu tu. Sangat tak ini Shah. Bakat tu ni atmar chuang Shah. Jadi kena panuan jeseng habut Snem tu Shah SOP ni. Dia mentah pun habut kat. Sangat tak. Kung kibalang Sorkar Kiba Hapoh turo ni pelong license of sin ke sini. Nama kerja jeseng kalau habut sau ko sentat.
Kumjuru ufada Richard Majau uletu bana kalian Kynhun Niam kila jemut cibun ki aka berka Sorkar jela kan saai daga jingtho akabade berki SOP kenang baki aka baro kilong ki basai
Ilakot Chief Secretary ni ki Kynhun Niam Niam Perfer mentagasi pat banyak kan kena lor jongka ketuka jing ketuka order ke bah ilaong i Deputy Chief Minister halor gaji play ki yang menina dok country trick tinggi shui ajibut kendia ikat tu kini ki barangkam nak kata kini ka jing play ya ki mani i SOP tikilong ki Hapoh ni namar ba handai le ketuka 1/3 kemalaon kedeka 1/3 tenang tapat ka distancing tenang tapat ka jingdon ka mask ka jing site ikiti nang ta ketuka jinglong ya ki mani tang pring Hapoh sikenta kataru di kebangan kren kesan bun la ki tengah nomla ban syukran nam tang ni kami namar badan bun kijing ajimut ki balawan na ki we balang ban na ki nyam ki berofet dia ngatrai kan sa ngin sayo ki haga ta jing tho hi da ka SOP ngatrai ka kan kam sai ka kam ha su e sibot ong ba kam pat long hi mentate ko bakalong mentate te kinum nginum pat sya ki kena handai ya ka kata te ka ai ni da ka jing tho mak kita ai ni tho la da ka de khat pra cheneng ne kat ba ka de kita ai na kliang jom kum ka balang te ka ni ka bangi perkhat kolong namar ba ki pot ki bala de ba sing don tang artli le ni lightly ki service ni ki mas te mentapat namar ba ka service kan long tang sikenta tingin haban pun bon ni ki service kanang ban ailat ki barok ki beri ki diwan simata haki jinglan yang haki singi trai